Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will show you how to automatically calculate MRP based on the basic rate plus margin group while creating an item. With this powerful formula, you can streamline your pricing process and ensure accuracy in every calculation. Let's get started and explore this amazing feature. Head to the Setup Items, Multiple Pack Sizes. Here you will find the configuration of the setup item. Click to open the configuration. Here you will find the option to auto-calculate MRP from basic rate plus group. Tick to activate this feature. After that, select the group level on which you want to add the margin percentage. You can also round off the MRP as well. Now the next step is to add the margin percentage to the respective item group. So for the same, we need to go to Setup Item Groups. As you remember, we had set group level 1 for margin, and we have defined that group as a category group. Here you will find the option to set the margin percentage for MRP. Let's add 25% margin on the shirt category. This means when we create any item belonging to the shirt category, the MRP will be automatically calculated by adding 25% to the basic rate. Don't forget to save the changes made and get back to the Setup Item window to see it's working. Let's create an item. Here you can observe that as soon as we entered the basic rate, the software automatically generated the MRP by adding 25% to the basic rate. Overall, automatically calculating MRP ensures consistency and accuracy in your pricing strategy, streamlines the item creation process, and reduces manual errors.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.